Hi, my name is Emily Clarke. I'm a fourth year electrical apprentice with the ESB. Our apprenticeship programme is a 4-year course and is broken down into 7 phases. Over the 4 years, you get to experience each section within the ESB. These include overhead, underground, faults and operations. This gives you a great insight into which area you prefer so that when it comes to your final year, you know which section you prefer to be streamed into. I liked most subjects in school, but I would have preferred if I had taken some practical subjects like woodwork and technical graphics. No other girls in my school took these subjects, which is the reason why I didn't take them for my Leaving Cert. I do attend school talks on a regular basis, and it is fantastic to see that more females are taking on practical subjects. If I had any advice for young girls now, it would be to go with your gut feeling. When I was leaving school, college wasn't something that I wanted to pursue. Another piece of advice would be to always try your best. There will be bumps along the way, but it's how you deal with these obstacles that matter. I guess what I'm trying to say is to always give 110% to everything you do, and the rewards will follow.